These are the epithelium. We'll show you the models of the epithelium. So let's see. This epithelium is simple squamous one. You are looking into the surface view in which you can observe the polygonal shaped cells, and this is the side view in which you can see them as a elongated cells with a bulging nuclei in it. Now there is another model of the simple squamous epithelium. You can see the side view with the bulging nuclei in the center, and this is its surface view. This epithelium is resting on the basement membrane and the underlying connective tissue is there. Now this is the simple cuboidal epithelium in which you can see the cube-like cells. This is the surface view and this is the side view with the central nuclei again resting on the basement membrane and the underlying connective tissue. Now you are looking that this is the epithelium, which is simple columnar. The cells are like pillars having basal elongated nuclei resting on the basement membrane with the underlying connective tissue. Now I will show you another epithelium, which is again simple columnar but showing the cilia on the top, right? Now let's see, there is another special variety of the simple epithelium, which is pseudo-stratified columnar ciliated. You can see all the cells are resting on the basement membrane but may not reach up to the top. Few taller cells are reaching to the top, but other are basal or cuboidal, are intervening and are not touching the surface. And you observe the goblet cells in between, and their nuclei are displaced at different levels. Again, resting on the basement membrane, all of the cells, but may not reach the top, right? Now this epithelium is the stratified cuboidal, because the surface epithelium that determines the type of the epithelium. You can see the two layers which are showing the stratified cuboidal epithelium. Now I am going to show you the stratified columnar epithelium. The basal cells are no doubt of cuboidal shape, but the surface cells are of columnar shape. So this is stratified columnar. Now I am going to show you the stratified squamous epithelium, which is non-keratinized. Why? Because the top layer is showing the nuclei on the surface layer, which are of squamous shape. You can see multiple layers. The basal is the columnar. Then you see the middle layer is the polygonal shape and the top layer is the squamous cells with the nuclei in it. So stratified squamous, non-keratinized. Now you observe the special variety of stratified squamous epithelium that mimics with that of the stratified squamous epithelium, but this is transitional epithelium. Why? Because the surface epithelial cells are dome-shaped, may be multinucleated. Again, you can see the basal cuboidal cells, the middle polygonal shaped cells, and the surface cells are umbrella or dome-shaped cells, resting all this epithelium again on the basement membrane and the underlying connective tissue.